How to fix ICS file not opening in the new version of Outlook. So here I have the new version of Outlook open, and I also have my ICS file right here in my folder. So what happens before is that when you click on an ICS file, it automatically opens it in the new version of Outlook. But now, whenever I try to click the file, so I double click on it, as you can see, nothing is happening. So it's not opening. So to fix this, what we need to do is that now we need to manually add the calendar in the new version of Outlook. So I don't know why this update is done. So it was easier before. You can just click on the ICS file, then it will automatically open in Outlook. But now we need to manually add it. So to do that, just go to calendar, and then from here, sorry about that, it needs to be closed first. So from here, in order to open the window that I had earlier, you just need to click add calendar. And then from there, just click add calendar. And then from here, go to upload from file. So from here, you just need to click browse and then select the ICS file from your computer. So when I click on the browse button right here, what happens is that it will open this file explorer. So now you just need to go to the folder where your ICS file is. So in my case, it's in my downloads folder. So I can just go there. Then I have the ICS file right here. And then we can go ahead and click on it. So just click on it, double click. Now we had the file right here. And now what we need to do is that we need to add it to a specific calendar. So if you have multiple calendars logged in your Outlook application, you can just go ahead and select the calendar where you want to add that specific calendar event or the ICS file. So I'm just going to add it here in my calendar right here. Then you can either add it to the calendar immediately, or you can just click preview first. So when you click preview, it will show the details of that specific event from your ICS file. So from here, once everything is finished, and then you see that there's nothing wrong, you can go ahead and click add to calendar. So just click add to calendar. From there, it will now open the details of the calendar right here. And then you can close this, and then just click save. From here, now we can see in our calendar that the event is now added in my calendar right here from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then it has meeting with supervisor, which is the name of the calendar event, and then the details that was also included inside of it. And then we can see the same details right here. When we double click, you have the details right here, and then you can edit this if you want to add more attendees, add the room or location, make this a Teams meeting, add more description right here, and so on. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the new the ICS file not opening in new Outlook. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.